जय हिंद दोस्तों. So today we are starting for the practice set 3.5 question number 3. If the value of the polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is a 12, then for m is equal to 12, then find the values of a. How to get find out? Let's see. So first one, p of m is there, polynomial p of m cube plus 2m plus a is 12. So it means this is a value of these all are the value p of 2 is equal to 12 is there, and m replace the 2. So it means m replace the 2 everywhere. P is equal to 2. So 2 cube plus 2 multiply 2 plus a, right. इसका वैल्यू हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? 12 दिया हुआ है. नाउ 12 लिखेंगे. देन आफ्टर 2 क्यूब क्या आएंगे? 8. 2 2 is 4 plus a. 8 plus 4 12 plus a, and here is 12. So 12 and minus 12 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0. The value of a is 0. Fourth one देखेंगे. So fourth one, for the polynomial mx square minus 2x plus 3, if p of minus 1 is equal to 7, then find the value of m. So p of x mx square minus 2x plus 3, x replace that minus 1, and p of minus 1 is equal to 7. So minus 1, 2, minus 1 and plus 3. Minus 1 square is equal to 1, minus minus plus 2, then plus 3. 2 plus 3 5 and 7. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So m is equal to 2. Now question number 5th one. Divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial and find the remainder using factor theorem. Okay, factor theorem apply करना है. x square minus 7x plus a, then x plus 1, right. p of x is there. डिवाइजर क्या दिया हुआ है? x plus 1. अगर हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं x plus 1 इज इक्वल टू 0, सो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 आ जाएंगे. इट मीन्स जो आपके वैल्यूज़ है x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1, वो आप इसमें पॉलिनोमियल में यूज़ करेंगे. सो p ऑफ माइनस 1, x रिप्लेस दैट माइनस 1 एंड 9. So minus 1 square is equal to 1, minus minus plus 7, then plus 9, 7 plus 1, 9, 8, 8 plus 9, 17. So the remainder is 17. Second one देखेंगे. So now second one, 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a. So again use of the divisor x minus a, then is equal to a. So p of a, 2a cube 2a square plus 2a and minus a. So a replace that, x replace that a everywhere. 2a cube 2a square, a square, then minus a. These are minus 2a plus a is equal to minus a square minus a. So remainder is equal to 2a cube minus a square and minus a. Third one. So third one, 54 m cube plus 18 m square minus 27 m plus 5 m minus cube. So this is a polynomial and divisor m minus 3. So m is equal to 3. Same now use of the condition and m replace that 3 everywhere. Multiplication करेंगे 1 4 5 8 and 89 is 162, 81, then plus 5. Next 1625 minus 81 is equal to 1544. So the remainder is 1544. Now question number 6 one. If the polynomial y cube minus 5y square plus 7y and plus m is divided by y plus 2 and the remainder is 50, then find the value of m. So now use of the condition polynomial. Divisor, what is that? Dividend y plus 2. So y is equal to minus 2, remainder is equal to 50, right. So by remainder theorem use करेंगे. So it means p of minus 2 replace that 50, right. This is the value of the 50. So now use of the condition, y replace that minus 2. Then after that 2 cube is equal to minus 8, 4, then plus minus minus 7 to the 14 and m, right. Now 50 minus 8, 5 4 are 20, 20 minus 8 and minus 14 is equal to 42 and plus m. शिफ्ट करेंगे 50 plus 42 is equal to 92. So m is equal to 92. So next क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. जय हिंद दोस्तों.